I'm just here to remind you to subscribe to my darling mother's channel. Well, thanks, Kitten, for reminding our dear friends to subscribe and thumbs up this video. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, your girl is excited. Oh, she's so excited. Woo-wee. And she just can't hide it. Woo-wee. I know. You want my IPSY review. My IPSY review. What the fuck? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kat, and I'm clearly very excited. Look at how big this is today, and there's a reason why. I have mentioned on my channel before that every month, at the beginning of the month, IPSY sends you an email. You have 24 hours to pick 3 items that you do pay an additional cost for. But starting September, you were allowed to pick 5 items. So your girl picked 5 items. I did open this bag because I knew what the 5 items were, but then I kind of forgot what some of them were. Anyways, I did pay an additional $42 for these 5 items. And I'm not mad about it. Let's get into the first couple items that I purchased myself. This lipstick here is by Ilamascus. Is that how you say it? Sure. It's in the color Cosmic. Here she is. And I actually have it on my lips today. Now, typically, your girl here likes brown tones, love nudes, love peachy nudes. But this color here, I think, is friggin' banging. It's like a pinky, light purpley, not really purple. It's pretty. Well, you can see. Look how pretty that is. Hello? It's a great formula. Love it. Next, okay. This is called Extraordinary Translucent Powder by Ciate London. It's just going to basically show you a reflection of my camera, probskis. I did use this kitty cat. I did use this powder today, and my makeup looks frickin' airbrushed. Now, I did use a new primer that I got in here as well. It's called Unicorn Glow. Longwear primer. I don't know if that's the name. Is that just the name? I did use this on my face before I used my foundation, and then I used this powder on top. I'm pretty sure it's the powder that made my face just look gorgina today. Honestly, this Unicorn Glow, it just is a primer. It's cool, but I definitely think it's the powder that just made my makeup look flawless today. And I also got this Milani Make It Last Matte Finish Setting Spray. It's a setting spray. I do like how the finish of my whole makeup turned out. So again, I'm pretty sure it's the powder, but this finishing spray, it looks great on top of it. And the last thing is by Wander Beauty. It's called Wondrous Seascape. You can see I've swatched it without you. I'm so sorry. Now, the only matte in this is this color here. Let me show you a couple swatches. Oh, hello. Here they are. That's pretty. That's really pretty. Do they smell like anything? Absolutely not. Okay. So yeah, for $42 I got 5 really banging products. So I'm happy with that. Okay, now I have not... Oh, okay. I have not opened this bag. It comes with a little jewel on it, mates. And apparently this is just poking right out. I'm super freaking excited because I have no idea what is in here. Let's go with whatever the hell's poking out here. I'm assuming it's an eyeliner. Matte liquid lipstick. Oh, what? Oh. I'm sorry. I have no idea what that says there, and my camera probably can't pick it up. La Butte. I'm just gonna leave that alone. There. Okay. Guys, like what? Nope, nothing. Why is this? Oh, something's happening. No, it's not. Dude, what the fuck? Nothing's happening. Nothing. I'm starting to get very angry, and I recall this happened to me once before, not with IPSY. Oh, hello, there you go. 3 hours late. Oh. It's quite pretty, but something's... I've got a lot, and I don't have anything to... Okay, I'm really excited for this color. I don't really have a lip color quite like this, so... Okay. What's next? What's next? What's next? Oh, Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. Here she is. Now, I already have this foundation, if you recall, a few weeks ago on my channel, so I do love this. So I am going to give this to one of my friends, my dear friend Kim, actually, who I've mentioned before on my channel. So Kim, hopefully this is your shade. Okay, we got 3 more things. If this is a bronzer, I'm going to lose my mind. It is! Look it! Yes! This is by Lovecraft Beauty in the shade Savannah. I don't know you, mate. I don't know this brand, but I love bronzers. I love bronzers. Yes, I do. Okay. There she is. I just did a really shitty swatch beside the lipstick that's everywhere. There she is. I'm so excited for this. I'm so excited for this. All right, we've got 2 more things. Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Limited Edition Shimmering Oil. What do you mean? Okay, that's... Oh, that's very slippery. That's very slippery. I don't know. Sorry, I'm trying to show you, but it's so slippery I can't hold it. You can't see, can you? Does it smell like anything? Not really. Pretty. I'm assuming you put this on before your foundation. It doesn't tell you shit, though, because it doesn't. Oh, is there a card in here? Oh, yeah, there is. Sweet. Okay, we've got one more product, and then we'll look at the card, because I don't want to wreck it. Oh, a blush, I think. Ofra. IPSY, you've stepped your shit up. This is in the shade Blush. All we need is love. That's really pretty. IPSY, what are you? Wow, okay. I'm here for this shit, guys. IPSY doesn't usually tell you the price of things. This month is called Find Your Light. September is all about new paths and possibilities. So whether it's going all out with a bold lip shade or masking at home to recharge from within, take a moment to rediscover your guiding to the North Star. Where will it lead you? That's fine. I'm not going to get into all the products on here, and they don't tell you price, which is fine, but I'm curious about the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Shimmering Oil. It says, based in Italy, this brand's products are made by one of the world's largest truffle producers. Huh? Okay. This nourishing dry oil mines the antioxidant-rich properties of black winter truffles to protect, moisturize, and boost your skin's radiance. Bonus, it's great for all skin types. Hello. Tip, apply 2 to 3 drops of this oil into the palm of your hand and gently pat all over your face until thoroughly absorbed. But like, can you put your makeup over it, mates? I don't know. Well, that's it for today. I am frickin' excited. I love IPSY. I don't care. I don't know why I'm saying that. I think all these products are super rad. I'm very happy with this. Please let me know what you guys thought in the comments below, and I will check you on the next one. Bye! Great job, IPSY May!